Foundation for Smart Manufacturing launched an online self-learning module series from 23rd February this year. This has marked our journey towards the establishment of a community ready to implement smart manufacturing concepts and try them out in their own facilities. People from various companies, colleges and industries have joined this course. During the course period, they were given exposure on pneumatics, electro-pneumatics and PLC components. This helped them in building a holistic approach to create and observe the concepts by creating logics, and were able to visualize the applications by simulating on virtual systems. Foundation for Smart Manufacturing is enabling digital transformation with its future-oriented educational programs. We welcome you to be a part of this.